She's teaching me how to burp. Hold.
No, you just let it.
Let it do its thing.
You just let it do its thing. And then you start feeling it like up your throat.
Yes, like you.
Like that.
Damn. I wish I could do it. It hurts.
No, you feel it. Like you feel it in your throat.
That is so attractive. I wish I could do that. I wish I could do that.
You're attracted to that.
I love girls. I love the girls that can do that.
It smells like the food I just ate, though.
I don't smell it.
You just smell like the Coke.
Solid 8. Yeah, that's a good number. 8.5. That's a healthy throat. Yeah, like that's. I can't do that. Like I'll just.
No, even if you drink a ton of Coke.